Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
To receive many notifications, start by enabling push across your main apps and services. Open settings and turn on banners, badges, sounds, and lock screen previews. Subscribe to email newsletters and follow 50 accounts across social platforms for steady alerts. Enable SMS alerts from banks, delivery services, and utilities to add reliable messages. Turn on calendar notifications and create recurring reminders for daily check-ins and urgent prompts. Adjust notification importance to high for apps you want to prioritize immediately. Keep Do Not Disturb off during peak hours. Open each app and set notification channels to high importance for critical alerts. Allow lock screen, banner, and notification center visibility for those same apps. Customize sounds and vibration patterns so high-priority alerts stand out in crowds. Enable badge counts and persistent banners to maintain visible cues for unread items. Use scheduled summaries and set one summary at 3 times per day to batch lower-priority alerts. Disable silent delivery for anything you want shown immediately on arrival. Use automation tools to amplify and route notifications into one stream to your device. Create 3 IFT or Zapier applets to forward emails, RSS updates, and social mentions as push alerts. Mirror notifications across phone, tablet, and a paired smartwatch to increase touchpoints and awareness. Create multiple email aliases and 2 social accounts per platform to multiply incoming messages and interactions. Turn on delivery and status alerts from key services like shipments and finance for timely messages. Review privacy settings often to balance volume with security and data control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.